legal for the past 6 years in Texas, you are now a criminal and subject to criminal penalty for those things. So that's kind of the state of where things are. This is not a law as of yet. So we still have to get this through the governor's desk, and he still has to sign it. If he does sign it, this will go into effect September 1st of 2025. What can you do? You can call the governor's office. You can mobilize the same exact way that...
We're going to have to pause for the call. Shout out to the big homie. Y'all know to go check out DJ Is. You know, he's like the dark apprentice of this motherfucker. Don't be sleep on them beats, though, just because he's an apprentice. You know what I mean? He over here getting his homework done on his own work, you dig? Shout out to the big homie. You know, he did the intro. We did the beginning of the video. For those who ain't just now coming in, y'all know to hit the replay gang. Shout out to the replay, because you know that's where it all happens. The lives be cool for the networking, the replay be cool for the getting the notepad out. You dig?
That we did for this bill, and you can continue to put in the time to send emails and make calls to the governor's office and make sure that he knows that you oppose SB3 and make sure that he knows the impact that it will have. Will the governor refuse to sign or veto a bill that was backed by basically all the Republicans? It's tough to say. That's a very difficult position for him to be in, or for me to even comment on. But I did want to set some expectations for everyone that a change to this entire landscape of legal THC or hemp products for grandma, for anybody, is absolutely about to change. And so we all need to be cognizant of that and prepared for that. I want to kind of give my take as an industry operator and, I guess somewhat of a leader here in this space for Texas. I want to give my opinion on why I believe things went this way. I know a lot of people are looking for answers, maybe calling their reps. The reason I believe things went this way...
It went that way because y'all still got them old white people over there running the Senate and the House in Texas, and they done voted to the shit that y'all voted for out of there. You dig? They fucking up. They fucking it up. Shout out to fucking it up, though, because we going to get right back at them. Shout out to Texas for being crossed off my travel to list. Hell, I'm going to just skip through there. Hell, when I go to fucking Vegas in December, I might not even drive through Texas now. First, I didn't want to drive through Kansas. Now I don't want to drive through Texas. Hell, they try to pull a player over. Where you going, Mr. Harper? To mind my motherfucking business. How about that? You know, I got a right to travel. Leave me the hell alone. Tell them something slick like that, though. Call before I leave. Can I drive through y'all state without y'all harassing me? Can I? Please. I'm just driving through. I'm not even trying to stop for gas.
Was because at the end of the day, when they
I
did
gassed up in
the
Oklahoma.
agricultural side of the hemp bills
That's the
in
bad part,
2018 and 2019 for federal and
They have to
Texas,
go through
the
Texas.
intention was not to have a recreational cannabis market. I think we all can agree on that. I certainly do. The idea there was to empower farmers to be able to grow a new cash crop, expand what their portfolio was, help them make more money, and potentially put Texas on the path to be a pioneer in sustainable hemp production or agriculture. I think that the industry loves to push the envelope, as we should, especially within the complete confines of the law. And so as we saw room for cannabinoid and a demand for cannabinoid, I think things went in a different direction than maybe intentionally hoped on the legislator's side. Now, I will say this. They keep throwing around the fact that we strayed from the original path and we didn't do what the industry didn't do what they said they were going to do. I don't remember them asking us about any of that. I remember those legislators pleading to pass a agriculture bill back in 2019, and those legislators were the ones that were pleading, saying, no, the farmers will never do cannabinoid, or no, this market will never use the laws here to get recreational products out there. We didn't say any of that. We were not consulted on any of that. That was said multiple times on the floor. So as business owners and as farmers in agriculture, we did what we had to do, which was follow the demand. And that led us to where we are today. There were very important pieces throughout that timeline that put the hemp market.
Hell, all the fucking chicken farmers done switched up to cannabis, and now, hell, you can't even buy food because you just got to get you some weed, man.
The THC market on the map for Texas. There are many people that we know that are responsible for that. And it was a good thing because it was truly showing how powerful the hemp plant was and how powerful the cannabis plant was for people's everyday lives and
Appreciate
health.
the